Hey guys, welcome back to Math at School. In this video, we'll be tackling this word problem by trying to set up an equation from the information provided from this word problem. So by the end of this lecture, you'll have the tools to take any word problem, turn it into a neat and tidy equation to find the solution to the unknown value. So if you feel like you know how to solve this, or if you want to test yourself, that's great. Pause this video, solve it yourself, and plug your answers into the comment section down below. I will reveal the correct answer in just minutes, so you can check whether you got this question right or not. If you did, that's great for you, but even if you didn't, doesn't matter because I am going to show you how to solve this step by step. So grab your pen, let's go. So Jonathan has 30 bills in total, made up of 10s and 50s. The total value that he has is equal to $1,340. How many 10s does he have? So, what is the unknown value that we want to find out? It is the number of $10 bills that Jonathan has. So, that's what I'm going to set x equal to. X will equal to number of $10 bills that Jonathan has. So that's going to be our x. And with this x, we're going to set up an equation to solve for this unknown variable of x. So how do we do this? Well, first of all, we know that we have 10s and 50s. So there's a bill, $10 bill. We don't know how many, but we know that we have X amount of $10 bills. And then we also have $50 bills. And while we do not know how many $50 bills we have, we know that combined with $10 bills and $50 bills, the total number of bills is equal to 30. So if we have X amount of $10 bills, how many $50 bills do we have? Well, we can express as 30 minus X, right? Because X plus 30 minus X should equal to 30. So far, does it make sense? So we have X amount of $10 bills, and we have 30 minus X amount of $50 bills. And if we combine amount of money we have in $10 bills and amount of money we have in $50 bills, if we combine them, then we get total amount of $1,340. So I'm going to set up equation like this. $10 times X plus $50 times 30 minus X is equal to $1,340. Now we have a completed equation like so. And all there is left for us to do is to solve for this variable of x. Okay, let's go ahead and solve for x from this equation. So, I have 10x here. I am multiplying 50 to these two binomials. So I'm gonna do distribution. And if I do that, I have 50 times 30, which is equal to 1,500, and 50 times minus x, which is equal to negative 50x. And all that combined should equal 1,340. So let's solve for x by combining all the like terms together. Let's combine these two. And if I add 10x with negative 50x, I get negative 40x, and I have 1,500, and I have 1,340 on the right side. And in order to isolate the variable of x, I am going to have to get rid of 150. If I do that, I end up with negative 40x is equal to negative 160. And if I divide both sides with negative 40, I get x is equal to let's do it in orange, plus 4. And since we set x equal to number of $10 bills Jonathan has, that's 4. So John or Jonathan has 4 $10 bills. So instead of saying my x is equal to 4, as my final answer, I'm gonna say Jonathan has 4 $10 bills. And that's gonna be my final answer. So when answering a word problem, you should answer back in in sentences, basically. Because if you just say, my x is equal to 4, your teacher or your grader does not know what you set x equal to. So it's not going to answer anything. So you have to clearly state what your unknown is, which is the amount of the $10 bills, and the unknown number. So that's how you present your final answer for a word problem like this, and this is how you would set up an equation from a word problem. Meanwhile, if this question asked you for the number of $50 bills, then the answer would be 30 minus 4, which is equal to 26. So John has 4 $10 bills and 26 $50 bills. So this is it for today's video. If you'd like more video tutorials and worksheets, you can visit my website on www.mathit.school. So thanks for watching, and if this video helped you in any way, please like this video. I make these videos after a long day of work, so it would be really appreciated if you could like this video and if you could consider subscribing to my channel. It would be very, very highly appreciated. Thanks for watching, and I'll come back with more valuable and more helpful videos later on. Bye!